Welcome to Myko's Aviary channel. Wait, just walk.
Smile.
Hey guys, today I received a package from LDI. Let's unbox it to see what's inside. Let's just put it in here. I'm getting this.
Can you do it?
Yeah. Wait.
Need help?
No.
Careful.
Wait, where do I cut it?
Careful.
Go.
Go.
Now let's see what we got. Not open yet.
Careful.
Wait. Just careful. Okay.
Heavy?
A bit.
It's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. This one's heavy.
Okay, let's
Here.
check it one by one.
Let's check this one first, because the smallest is the best one. So guys, this is what we got from LDI. So first, we got MULTI-LYTE PREMIUM. It has electrolytes, and it's used for the hot weather so the birds can get refreshed. And also, it's like the one I use after swimming. This one is for the eggs. It's like if you want a lot of eggs, it's also for healthy eggs, and it also works really well.
Have you tried using that?
Yeah, it works really good. This one is for like wash out for the insects and the bugs. And then this one,
VERMEX, it's new. Wait,
yeah, this is the new one.
for?
It's for the wormings. It's for the worms. And this one is for the eyes. It works really well, especially with Sparkle the bird. And
Where do you use this?
for the eyes.
What's the name?
The name is
OCULIN.
OCULIN.
Actually, a lot of our followers want to know where to get the OCULIN.
This one is AMOXITYL. It's used for lung problems.
It's an antibiotic for lung problems.
Antibiotic. This one is for the stomach.
TRISULLAK.
Yeah, TRISULLAK. Thank you LDI for all these very good products, and to our workshoppers, you can receive these, and that's it. Thank you LDI for these quality amazing products, and please like and share this video so we can all learn together. Happy bird keeping, everyone!
Alam.
Thanks for visiting Myko's Aviary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more bird keeping content. See you in the next video!